In today's video, we'll be providing you with the fuel pump fuse and relay locations for your 1990 Ford F-150. The fuel pump relay for this vehicle is located on the left side of the engine bay. The approximate physical location of the relay is shown in the picture. The original Ford fuel pump relay was green in color, making it easy to identify. If the relay has been replaced by an aftermarket one, it will typically be either gray or black. If this information has helped you out, do us a huge favor and smash that like button right now and consider subscribing. We'd really appreciate it. Next, we'll walk you through the necessary steps to bench test the relay to determine whether it's good. Here you see a picture of a standard 5-pin 12-volt relay. Ford used this specific relay for a number of years across a wide range of vehicles. If you look on the side of the relay, you'll see the pin assignments. Using this information, we can test the relay by supplying our own inputs and monitoring the outputs using a multimeter. Pins 1 and 2 are the control side of the relay. We can provide our own power and ground as shown in the diagram. Pins 3 and 4 are the load side of the relay. If the relay is good, when we apply a power and a ground to the control side of the relay, we should see continuity or virtually zero resistance on pins 3 and 4. The relay is bad when we apply a power and a ground to the control side as shown in the picture. We'll see OL or no change on our multimeter display. When bench testing relays and other components like this, we recommend the Power Probe 3. We've owned this tool several years and have many videos showing it in action. The Power Probe 3 makes it very convenient to apply power and grounds when testing components. This vehicle doesn't have an ordinary blade type fuse we're used to seeing on most modern vehicles. Instead, it uses a fusible link that's located next to the battery. The approximate location of the fusible link is shown in the picture. Fusible links were commonly found in vehicles of this era. They are essentially sections of wire that are designed to act as a fuse, providing protection in case of electrical faults or overloads. It's always important to use the correct replacement fusible link with the same rating to ensure proper protection and functionality of the circuit. As a DIYer, when it comes to getting access to information that will assist you with servicing and maintaining your own vehicle, we recommend Mitchell 1 DIY. With Mitchell 1 DIY, you get not only access to quality in-depth wiring diagrams for your vehicle, but you also get component locations, component tests, technical bulletins, and much more. If you'd like to learn more about the service, please see the link down in the description below for more details. Once you get on the Mitchell 1 website, be sure to check out the free demo of everything that's included in your product subscription. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, hit that subscribe button and click that bell so anytime we drop a new video, you'll be the first to know. Hit that like button and leave me some comments. I'd love to hear from you. If you're interested in any of the products we used in today's video, we'll leave some links down below. Hope you have an awesome day, and thanks for watching.